Hello everyone and welcome back to another Fostermans video. This one's going to go over our WAP page and our Discord page, so let's get right into it. So pretty much this is what it's going to look like from the get-go. You've got all the different types of channels here. I'm pretty sure it could also be up here. I don't know how you change it. I don't know how I even change mine. But yeah, if it's up here, this is how you're going to see everything. So you're going to see it all from up here. You got our beginners lessons. Okay, so when you go in here, you can pretty much just watch any of our beginners lessons. Let's say the introduction. You can just watch that video. We got spin and wins, discounts, newsletters, clippings, all that sort of stuff. So you just go into each one of these channels, and yeah, it's pretty self-explanatory. Spin and wins quite cool. So every day you get this just spin here. Let's spin it and see what we win. So this is a giveaway every single day. You guys can play these and potentially win stuff. We've had people win quite often. People win 10,000 points. We've had someone win the PS5 console, so congratulations to you. But yes, there's loads of different things. You can go to discounts, newsletters, etc. Let's go over to the Fostermans Pro now, and let's see. So if we go here, this is what it's going to look like for the majority of you guys. Pretty much just the exact same thing, spin and win, all that sort of stuff. Here you can navigate to our learning lessons. Okay, so you'll be able to see here all the learning lessons, all the different types of stuff, all the coming soon, all that good stuff. You got our bias builders, so these are the pro ones. You can go watch these. Yeah, so that's pretty much it, right? So anything with like a teacher's hat is going to be the videos. Okay, and then you got our journals, the pro journal and our normal journal. You got the spin and win, you got all that stuff, and then to get into the Discord, you just press in, click this button, and it'll bring you to the Discord. Speaking of Discord, that pretty much wraps up this. Okay, so you've pretty much got everything here that you would need to learn. You even got a little bit of spin and win sort of vibe. You got our journal, so you pretty much got everything there. Any videos will always be added here or the YouTube. Let's go check out the Discord. So if we go into here, you'll be able to see pretty much what's going on in here. So let me just hide the users. Okay, so you can see here. Let's start with we'll start from the bottom. Okay, why not? So you could go down here, and this is going to be the PG bot section. Okay, so this PG bot is just our trading bot. And when you go in here, you can see here that once you just press start, okay, so when you go in, you just press the start button, you'll get a wallet. You can buy and sell crypto straight from Discord, straight from our platform here. So that's pretty much that. And then you go to CA scanner, so you could just you can type in any of your CAs, okay, crypto addresses, or you can type in your charts. Okay, so maybe you want to see the chart, you can type this in. Really simple, easy, straightforward stuff. You got our wallet trackers, okay, so tracking just some decent wallets that we found. And then you've also got crypto alerts, which just tracks the Twitter. Okay, here is where you'll see our live stream. Okay, so when you click live stream, that is where we go live. Okay, every single day we go live inside the Fostermans live stream. And then for our private members, for the pro members, we're going to be live inside this one. Okay, we got the free voice chat, so this is literally if you guys are just chilling, it's a good way to make new friends, whatever. And then we got the free AFK, so you just click in there and it's pretty just chill. Okay, we got Bruce AI alerts. We just done a video on this, so go check that out. This pretty much just goes over all our alerts and how to trade them. We got money shots, which pretty self-explanatory, just going over some of the trades. Joshua ended up making 1.2k the other day live in the group. It was pretty nice. We got crypto trading, pretty self-explanatory. These are our different trading floors, so I'll go over them here. So you can see here all the different types of trading floors we got. We got futures trading floor, Forex trading floor, algos, all this good stuff. These are all our trading floors, so you go in here if you're trading futures, and you'll see all our futures alerts, charts, whatever. And then you go to general chat, and this is literally just general chatting, just talking about whatever. Okay, literally the same. The same applies for the pro, except Fostermans Pro is literally just going to be, if you're looking at extra knowledge, extra, just a little bit extra. Okay, that's why you're paying for the Fostermans Pro. Plus, you get 24/7 access to me. Okay, anytime I'm awake, you can just DM me on Discord, which most people do. Okay, I'm going to probably stop that once we hit about 100 members. So you might as well take advantage of it now. 100 paying members. Okay. So once we had about 100 paying members, that's when it's a little bit too many DMs. So yeah, that's pretty much that. Like I say, so if you really wanted, you could always DM me, and I'll be happy enough to give some advice. I actually skipped over these exclusive channels, so let me go over these. Okay, so ticket support. This is for any sort of support you may need. Okay, And then obviously we got our email down here, so you can always message them at support@fostermans.com. But you can see here that we got most of our things covered here. So trading help, you just go to ask questions, okay? Membership, whatever else, okay? Any questions, go there. These are pretty much usually the frequently asked questions. If someone's asking for a Notion journal, we just direct them here. Bias builder templates, whatever it is, okay? We just direct them here. And anytime we get a frequently asked question, we put it right here. AI helper, really, really easy, really, really cool. You know, it'll tell you everything here, how to find the delta profile, and it'll literally describe everything for you. So I would always go here first, go to the AI helper, ask that. If you can't get what you're looking from there, then you can ask a question, and then still, if your question is not here, then go to ticket support, and a member of staff will get back to you pretty swiftly. Okay, and then you got our giveaways, okay, which are really nice. Okay, we don't actually have quite a lot of members. We got 4 people participating here, and this is for the 12 months free. We've got 4 people participating here for the 10K prop firm challenge giveaway, and these are going to end on the 25th of March. So if you guys are wanting to get into these, you can get into them. Again, we use our point system for this. Okay, so this is going to be point system. When you join, you'll get a DM with all the information you would need about how this works. Okay, but basically it just means when you text inside the Discord, you'll get points. Okay, when you DM and you ask questions, you get points. When you send in your analysis, you get points. This is all automatic, hands off. I don't touch anything, and you'll just constantly get points for being active in the community, and then you use them points to get entries into the giveaways. Okay, so you can see here we're giving away 200K in prop firm challenges. We're giving away 4 of them. Okay, so you know there's only 5 participants, so you know literally there's only going to be 1 person that doesn't get a prop firm giveaway. So definitely go in and see if you can win this. We got our vote poll. Okay, pretty straightforward stuff. You just vote for whatever you want next. You can see here the giveaways, etc., etc. Forex, FX, factory alerts. So every single Monday we give out these alerts, and I'll just tell you the news for the week, so you don't have to really go on to FX Factory at all. And you got news alerts over here, which is just giving out news, kind of similar to the crypto alerts, except this is news Twitter and not crypto Twitter. And then also, okay, so the main difference between these channels, we're going to be, you know, the trading floor is going to be a little bit more diverse. You're going to have 24/7 access to me. There's, you know, a bunch of different things with the trading floors that are different. You got the money shots in here. You got your ask questions. Okay, so any questions you have. You got our Brock AI bots, and you got our Beth. Okay, so these are just going to be a little bit better. You know, you get more assets like US oil, futures, whatever it is. And you got Beth AI alerts, which is pretty similar. You know, a bunch of different alerts, etc., etc. So that's pretty much navigating the Discord. Again, you'll go to channels and roles, and you can choose whatever you want to see. Okay, so you can go over here and click the alerts that you want to get. But browse channels. Okay, this is going to be crucial. Make sure you have everything turned on here. Okay, you want every single thing turned on. Okay, turn on all the channels that you can see, and then you'll be able to see everything that I see. Okay, a lot of these aren't turned on for you guys. But that's pretty much just going to be it. That's navigating the Discord and the WAP page. So you'll now be able to learn, or you'll be able to be a part of the community, okay? So that's going to wrap that up. If you guys have any questions, DM me in the Discord or put it into the chat. Again, once I hit about 100 members, paying members, I'm going to just stop the DM access. A lot of you guys really only DM me, and I can understand that. But listen, you know, being active in the community really helps. So be active in the community, talk away in the community, you earn points for it, which you could use in giveaways. There's a bunch of cool little things you could do inside here. Just be a part of the community, and I will see you guys in the Discord or on the WAP. See you in the next one. Peace.